this module, you are learning how to embed surveys into a page on a website. This video will demonstrate how to access the embed code script, make slight modifications to it, and then submit a survey response. The response, along with the variable values, can then be accessed within Customer Voice. To begin, we open the survey that we will be using to embed into a website. Clicking on the Customization menu, we can then access the variables for the survey. For this survey, we will gather requests for product information. We can embed this survey onto many different product pages on our website, so a variable for product page will be used to indicate which page the survey was on when the respondent submitted their survey response. Next, we click on the Send button and then click the Embed option. We will add the inline format. The embedded code is provided for us. Clicking the Copy button will add the code to our clipboard. Navigating to the web page where we wish to embed the code, we can then paste the code for the survey. Your website administrator should have the skills to be able to add this for you. Notice that the three variables for the first name, the last name, and the product page are included in the code. Next, we need to add a section in which to embed the survey by using a div element. We can paste in more code to add the div and also center it so that the survey will be aligned in the middle of the web page. Finally, we need to add a further script to pass through the values for our three survey-specific variables. We add this script in the middle of the div. The first name and the last name are required variables that cannot be deleted, so we will use those to pass through lead as the first name and capture as the last name. We can then indicate which page the survey is being embedded into in terms of the specific product page. For this example, product A is added as the value for the product page variable. We can then review the survey on the web page and complete the survey as a respondent to test the process. The thank you message displays once the survey has been submitted. We can then go back to Customer Voice and review the report for the website product request survey. Here we can see all of the question responses that were submitted. Clicking on the Respondents menu, we can then see the response and open it. The Personalize Data tab shows the values passed through for each of the variable parameters we inserted into the code that we then added into our website. Having the ability to pass through the product page value for each page we add the survey to allows us to use the same survey on multiple web pages and gives the ability to see exactly where each survey response has originated from.